too far away, was it?
It's 46 minutes away from the city.
In half a mile, take exit 2 for US 93, business toward Boulder City, Hoover Dam. Take exit 2.
There's exit 2 right there.
In a quarter mile, at the traffic circle, take the third exit onto Nevada 172.
Is that the third exit?
To Nevada 172.
Okay, help me. Oh, it's a roundabout. That's why
Yeah.
it says third exit.
Yeah, you slow down.
There's probably exit 1, the exit 2, and exit 3, because that's a freeway entrance. Yeah, there it is, Hoover Dam.
Exit the traffic circle onto Nevada 172, then turn right onto Nevada 172. Turn right onto Nevada 172 Hoover Dam Access Road.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, the
There.
sign says Hoover Dams. Okay. All right.
Continue on Hoover Dam Access Road for 3 miles.
Oops,
3
what's that?
miles. Wow, is it that far away?
Hoover Dam.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
He asked if you have like, some guns inside the car.
Yes.
Oh.
Well, we got any guns? No. See, look at that going over. Look at that. Can you imagine building that? Yeah. Sorry, I gotta go a little bit faster. The car behind me, I can't go too slow. Look at, you can see that from the dam. It's just amazing. Imagine, look how.
Wow. Yeah.
Isn't that amazing how they built that? So you look how big that is.
Yes.
In 600 feet, turn left.
Yeah, so the water in the dam is so low. The water level is so low. Look how low it is.
Yeah. I mean, it's usually up to there, you know? Up to the top of those screens is where it usually is.
So low. Let's go.
Okay,
Look at the water level.
Look how deep that is. That's pretty deep, isn't it?
Yeah.
They used to take tours, so you can go down in an elevator. They got elevators, like over there, that go down the bottom, and they come out right there, and then you can see all the water coming out down there. This is what they call the Colorado River.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. This is Hoover Dam. So look at the water level. It's so low. bridge right there. It's so amazing.
In a quarter mile, keep left at the fork to continue toward North Mart.
Manila ako sa una galaglaag karon sa Las Vegas na. Manila sa Iloilo ako sa una. The World Market Center right there. I'm going to Goldilocks here in Las Vegas.